everybody, my name is Demian Solis and today you will see the speed paint for Inquisitive Puppet as Pinocchio from Disney. I just love all of the Disney classic movies and also some of the new ones just like Tangled, Brave and Moana. On regards to all of the remakes, I don't like them much, not at all. But at the end, we still have the classics. This was a pretty fun project to do, and I hope you like it. Bye.
you want to support my work and purchase one of my paintings, please check my eBay store to see all of the products I have available. My social media is in the description section of this video. Please leave a comment down below to know your opinion. Other way that you can support my work, and is free, is by giving a like to this video. Please share and don't forget to subscribe. And to get notified every time I upload a new video, please press the bell icon. I thank you very much, everybody, and have a great one. Bye.